In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of the Tesla app not being available in your country. If you're trying to download or use the Tesla app, but it's unavailable in your region, here are some steps you can take to resolve the problem. First, check if the Tesla app is officially supported in your country by visiting Tesla's official website or contacting their customer support. If the app isn't available due to regional restrictions, one option is to create an Apple ID or Google Play account associated with a country where the app is supported. For example, you can sign up for a new account using a U.S. address and payment method. Then use that account to download the Tesla app from the App Store or Google Play Store. If creating a new account isn't ideal, another option is to use a virtual private network, VPN, to connect to a server in a country where the Tesla app is available. Once connected, try downloading the app from the store. However, keep in mind that using a VPN may not always guarantee functionality, as the app might require location-based services to work properly. Additionally, ensure your device meets the minimum requirements for the Tesla app, such as operating system version and compatibility. If you're still unable to access the app, consider using the Tesla mobile web interface via a browser, which often provides similar functionality to the app. If none of these solutions work, reach out to Tesla support for clarification on app availability in your region or updates about future support for your country. If this video helped you fix the issue of the Tesla app not being available in your country, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.